Welcome to Creating a Winning Business Plan, Step-by-Step Guide for Entrepreneurs. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur with a brilliant startup idea or a seasoned business owner looking to take your company to the next level, having a well-crafted business plan is the key to success. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a winning business plan, providing you with valuable insights and practical tips along the way. Before diving into the specifics, let's discuss what a business plan is and why it is essential for your entrepreneurial journey. What is a business plan? A business plan is a written document that outlines your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. It serves as a roadmap, guiding you through the various stages of your business, from initial launch to growth and expansion. A well-structured business plan not only helps you clarify your vision and mission but also communicates your ideas effectively to potential investors or lenders. Let's proceed with the first step, conducting thorough market research. Market research. Market research is a critical step in developing your business plan. It involves gathering information about your target market, industry trends, customer preferences, and competitors. By analyzing this data, you gain valuable insights that help you position your business effectively and make informed strategic decisions. Let's move on to step 2, defining your business structure and organization. Business structure and organization. Choosing the right business structure is vital for setting the foundation of your entrepreneurial venture. Whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, each structure has its advantages and legal implications. Additionally, you'll need to define your organization's hierarchy, roles, and responsibilities, ensuring a clear understanding of how your business will operate. Now, let's proceed to step 3, crafting a compelling executive summary. Executive summary. The executive summary is a concise overview of your entire business plan. Although it appears at the beginning, it's often written last, as it summarizes the crucial aspects of your plan. This section should entice the reader, briefly explaining your business concept, target market, competitive advantage, and financial projections. A compelling executive summary captures attention and encourages further exploration of your business plan. Let's move on to step 4, developing your products or services. Products or services. In this step, you need to define the products or services your business will offer. Highlight the unique features and benefits of your offerings, emphasizing their market fit. Provide details about your product development process, pricing strategy, and any intellectual property rights you possess. Clearly communicate how your products or services will meet the needs of your target customers. Now, let's proceed to the final step, financial projections. Financial projections. Financial projections are crucial for assessing the viability and profitability of your business. In this step, you'll create a comprehensive financial plan, including revenue forecasts, expense estimates, and cash flow analysis. This section demonstrates your understanding of the financial aspects of your business and helps you make informed decisions regarding funding, investments, and pricing strategies. Once you have completed this step, you'll have a robust business plan ready to present to potential stakeholders, investors, or lenders. Congratulations! You have completed our step-by-step guide on creating a winning business plan. Remember, a well-crafted business plan acts as a roadmap to guide your entrepreneurial journey, helping you navigate challenges and seize opportunities. By conducting market research, defining your business structure, crafting an outstanding executive summary, showcasing your unique products or services, and projecting your financials, you are setting yourself up for success. Keep refining and updating your business plan as your business evolves, and remember, with determination and a solid plan, you're one step closer to entrepreneurial success.